Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is the Lobster bath bomb. It's called Mr. Loba Loba. Always makes me think of that Shaggy song, and if you don't know what that is, then I'm old. But this bath bomb is so adorable. I ordered their Valentine's Day bath bombs and then a bunch of other ones that I haven't tried yet, so I can do demos for those. And a lot of them came broken. I don't have a Lush store near me, so I only get to make it to the Lush store maybe like twice a year. So a lot of times I do have to order it. Typically it's fine, but a lot got damaged this time. So this bath bomb though, I thought it smelled like a sweet vanilla. It smelled really good. There's something called benzoin resinoid. Never heard of that in my life, but apparently that's supposed to be soothing with sweet vanilla scent. And then it does have tonka absolute, which is also a sweeter fragrance, and then some almond essential oil. And the water was super moisturizing. I did check on the bath bomb. It did have some little red hearts on top, and those do dissolve in the bath water. Normally those come off and float around the tub, but it wasn't quite submerged since it was on the very top of it. But that's what those look like. But I was expecting the water to be more red, a little bit more pigmented, but it was a very soft pale color at the end, which is fine because that means it's not going to leave any staining in the tub. Other companies, when they make something really red or really pink, it often does stain or stain your skin at least, but this one did not. So super cute bath bomb. You can see some of the hearts at the bottom. And yeah, if you're interested in some of their other Valentine's Day products or just their new bath bombs, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, and I will have those demos out shortly. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.